I'm Jasmine, a member of business team at Bihesa. Today, I will conduct a demo Acumatica Shopify integration by using the Hexasync integration platform. As you know, Acumatica ERP provides the best business management solution for transforming your company to thrive in the new digital economy through leading-edge technology, best-in-class business functionality, and customer-friendly business practices. Acumatica delivers unparalleled value to small and mid-market organizations. Integrate workflows being the full suite of business management application, from financial, project accounting, and inventory management to CRM. This software is built on the future-proof platform with open architecture for scalability, ease of use, and rapid integration. According to GetLacker, Acumatica hit $24.5 million in revenue in 2021 with funding of $48.3 million and reached 1,946 customers in 2022. Otherwise, Shopify is an e-commerce platform that has businesses run an online store. It offers a good alternative to opening brick-and-mortar store and to reach customers on the global level. It helps you increase your sales and reach without experiencing the growing pain that comes with outlet expansion. According to Shopify report first quarter 2022 financial results, total revenue in the first quarter grew 22% to $1.2 billion. Shopify has more than 2.1 million daily active users. Now I will do a data synchronization from Shopify to Acumatica by create sales order on the Shopify store, and then Hexasync will point and push the data between two platforms. On my screen, there are two main tabs. The first tab is Shopify Storefront. The second one is Hexasync integration platform. And the last one is Acumatica software. And now I will go to the Shopify Storefront. Choose a product I want to create sales order. I will choose the product with this SKU. This product is $25. I will click to buy it now. In here, I will fill some necessary information because Shopify limits some shipping countries. So I choose the extract in the Australia and continue to shipping. And then continue to payment. There are two payment options on the Shopify store, credit card and cash on delivery. In here, I will choose the cash on delivery to save the time of the demo and then complete order. Alright, my sales order is successfully created with the order number 1406. Now I will go to the Hexasync integration platform to check the data if the data pulled from Shopify to Hexasync. In the Hexasync integration dashboard, I will go to the Acumatica Shopify and choose the Shopify Acumatica sales order. Click to monitor data. On the order number section, I will set the order number of this sales order, 1406. As you see on screen, the data of sales order is successfully pulled from Shopify to Hexasync integration. With this destination ID, it means that the data is also pushed from Hexasync to Acumatica Now I will copy this destination ID and then go to the Acumatica software. I will point to the sales order. In the transaction, I will choose the sales order. On the left of the screen, I will paste this destination ID. So the information of sales order is also appear in Acumatica software with full information such as name, quantity, and price. And the order total in the Acumatica is higher than on Shopify store because Acumatica already set up the task session. So I successfully integrate the data from Shopify to Acumatica and to make the demo more perfect, I will do a reverse data synchronization from Acumatica to Shopify by changing the product price. Firstly, I will go to the Shopify storefront and choose the product I want to change price. In here, I will choose the product with this SKU. And also, I'll copy this SKU. This product is $40. Now I will go to the customer, point to the inventory. In the profile section, I will select the stock items and create a new record. In the inventory ID, I will paste the SKU in here and enter the product. The information of this product is also appear. I will go to the price cost and change the price from $40 to $10 and save it. And now I will go to the Hexasync integration and check the price of this product. I will choose the Acumatica Shopify product task. Click to monitor data. In the SKU section, I will paste the SKU of this product. As you see on screen, the price is also changed from $40 to $10 with the destination ID. It means that the data is also pushed from Hexasync to Shopify store. And now I will go to the Hexasync Shopify store and refresh again. So I successfully changed the price from $40 to $10 from Acumatica and sync to Shopify store. I also have done the demo of data integration of between these two platforms. Indeed, the Acumatica Shopify integration will help your business save a lot of time on manual input and the amount of labor. In addition, errors such as data duplication and incorrect input will be significantly eliminated, and optimizing the operation of your business effectively. Thanks for listening.
Be Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes.